Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog video. I was going to this sudden family plan, so I thought let me just make a vlog and take you guys with me to the places wherever I am going. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video and let me take you to all that unplanned, unexpected adventures, whatever I would be doing in this vlog. So let's begin. So this is our room. Looks pretty room. So we have a double bed. So I think one is for me and my brother. Other one is for my parents. We have a nice view. We have a TV. Then I guess this is here. We have a little washroom. Oh yeah. Here we have a little washroom. There's me. To bath. Then we have a little mirror here. Few things to be kept here. Right, nice cozy room. This is such a nice hotel. I mean, I am really impressed how this hotel is. The like designing and everything is so good. I'm actually so impressed with this one. We're actually on the 7th floor. I wish we would have got like maybe higher room, like on the higher floor, but unfortunately we couldn't. So can you just look at that? There's some ice right there, I can see it. That's the main road. That's my mom. Hi mom. Always make sudden plans, like we do not plan trips or anything, we make sudden plans. So even today same thing happened. We did a sudden plan and we all of us came in one like pair of clothes and we don't have any like separate ones to wear them tomorrow. So I'm actually right now out in the downtown. I would be looking out for some night suits or maybe some t-shirts or something that I can wear tonight, and then I can change something tomorrow. But that's the funny part about us, that we always like come on an unplanned trip with like nothing with us, like oh it's nothing. So which is like kind of very funny for all of us. This is all ice. It's literally frozen right here. And this is like a local market in downtown. Where are we going?
We are going, you want to sit here?
No.
You can
But
sit here.
do you have any place in mind? Where are we going?
Yeah, I will find for you.
She's finding a place for me. We don't know where we are going. We're just roaming around in the downtown. Let's see. Alright guys, so I picked up my night suit from one of the local store in downtown. And now we're here for the dinner, so I'm picking up my dinner. We're actually not doing the dinner from the hotel restaurant. we actually didn't like the things which they had in their menu. So we're picking up the dinner from this place right here. So this has a taste of India and Nepal. So my mom likes Indian food. Of course, we are Indian, so we love Indian foods. So this is the place we are here, and it says taste of Nepal and India. I've ordered momos, and I've ordered some like veg biryani, and then I've ordered some 2-3 things like dal and some naan. And then I want to try out their noodles, which I'm going to be trying out tomorrow. But definitely check this place out if you guys ever visit Lake Tahoe. This is like one of the best places in Lake Tahoe if you love Indian and Nepali food. So yeah, I'm heading to hotel back. I'll have my dinner and then I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning. So see ya, bye. Came back home half an hour ago, and I should say that it was an amazing trip, though it was an unplanned trip, but बहुत मज़ा आया इस trip में. I was with my family, and being with your family, it's so amazing and it is so much good. So I felt so good कि इतने टाइम के बाद हम लोग साथ में किसी ट्रिप पे गए. Though it was an unplanned trip, पर मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया सबके साथ. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ क्लिप्स गलती से मैंने भी नोटिस किया कि मैंने जो शूट किए हैं वो आई थिंक वो शूट नहीं हुई या क्या हुआ, फॉल्ट था, मुझे नहीं पता. बट बहुत सारी क्लिप्स शूट नहीं हुई, इस वजह से उनको मैं व्लॉग में नहीं डाल पाई हूँ. सो आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट दैट. तो ये जो छोटा सा क्यूट सा व्लॉग मैंने बनाने की कोशिश की है, जितने भी मेरे पास क्लिप्स बचे हुए थे. आई होप यू गाइज एन्जॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आप लोग को अच्छा लगा. इन केस यू गाइज लव वॉचिंग व्लॉग्स, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. मैं और व्लॉग्स बनाया करूँगी, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन यू गाइज रियली लाइकिंग टू सी द व्लॉग्स. मैं जो भी अपलोड करती हूँ, जो मैंने लास्ट अ डे इन माई लाइफ वाला व्लॉग बनाया था, यू गाइज गेव मी सच अ गुड रिस्पॉन्स. तो इस वजह से मैंने भी ये वाला बनाया है. सो अगर आप लोग को पसंद है तो प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो. मैं ज़रूर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा व्लॉग्स अपने लाइफ से रिलेटेड या कुछ भी हो, एनीथिंग, मैं ज़रूर बनाऊंगी और डालूंगी. बाकी दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ व्लॉग यू गाइज. आई एम फ्रेशन अप, मैं नहा धो चुकी हूँ अच्छे से, और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ ग्रॉसरीज वगैरह पिक करने और बाकी कुछ और सामान पिक करने. तो आई एम एंडिंग दिस व्लॉग राइट हियर. आई एम गोना कैच यू गाइज super soon with a brand new video, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon, and make sure to like this video. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.